The MultiMaster is a commercial-grade professional power tool tough enough to tackle those renovation and remodeling projects you've always avoided or left to the professionals.
The MultiMaster is an investment that's going to save you time and money on everything from your small repair jobs to your major renovation projects.
The fine MultiMaster is a commercial-grade professional power tool guaranteed to handle everything from your big remodeling and renovation jobs to your smaller day-to-day home maintenance repairs. The powerful MultiMaster doesn't spin or reciprocate like other professional power tools. It oscillates at over 350 times per second. This creates awesome cutting action while being easier to handle, more precise, and safer than tools that spin or reciprocate. The MultiMaster Home Remodeling and Renovation Kit comes with a host of attachments. By simply changing these attachments, you can do hundreds of repair, renovation, and remodeling jobs. The E-Cut blade is perfect for cutting wood or metal. With the E-Cut blade, you can quickly and precisely cut under door jambs. You can easily cut wood paneling on site without going back and forth to a chop saw. You can quickly and easily plunge cut into wood up to 2 inches thick. You can even get into tight places that would otherwise be impossible with other professional power tools. You can remove old pipes. You can cut nails flush to wood. You can quickly cut through 2x4s. You can notch wood for a variety of applications. You can cut baseboards without having to remove them first. No other tool can do this without damaging the baseboard or the wall behind it. The grout blade attachment is perfect for tile repair. You can easily remove grout from around damaged tiles. The segmented grout blade allows you to get all the way to the backsplash without ever overcutting. You can't do this with any other power tool. The rasp attachment allows you to quickly and easily remove old thin set all the way down to the backer board. You can also use the rasp to strip old paint or anything else. The scraper blade allows you to quickly remove your old linoleum flooring. You can easily remove old caulking from sinks, tubs, and countertops. The high-speed steel segmented saw blade is perfect for plunge cutting junction box holes into sheetrock. The high-speed steel segmented saw blade cuts without spinning, so you'll never overcut. You simply can't do this with any other power tools. The detail sanding pad with the included sandpaper is the perfect solution for refinishing your cabinetry. With a triangle sanding pad, you can easily sand into corners and other tight places. Other hand sanders will vibrate your hand and make long sanding jobs difficult, but vibration is virtually eliminated with a MultiMaster's patented oscillating motion. The profile sanding attachment includes a host of forms that allow you to sand into moldings and other detailed woodwork. The MultiMaster is made by Fine Power Tools out of Stuttgart, Germany. Fine is recognized by high-end contractors around the world as the maker of a long line of premium, long-lasting workhorse power tools. Where other tools wear out or fail, the MultiMaster will continue to last year after year. The MultiMaster has been around for nearly 25 years. In fact, there are over 1 million MultiMasters in use today. The MultiMaster Home Remodeling and Renovation Kit comes with all the attachments you need to get started on all those remodeling or repair jobs you've been putting off. You can easily repair your damaged tile. You can refinish your cabinets and countertops. You can remodel your ceilings. You can replace your old flooring with beautiful new hardwood or tile. Whether you're a do-it-yourselfer or a professional contractor, the Fine MultiMaster is an absolute must for your toolbox.